Reading improves vocabulary and language skills. Children learn new words as they read. So, make an everyday habit for your child to love reading. Let's begin. It is round. It is round. It is big. It is big. It is soft. It is soft. It is tall. It is tall. Look at my toys. Look at my toys. Look at my mug. Look at my mug. Look at my work. Look at my work. Look at my gifts. Look at my gifts. Look at the bug. Look at the bug. Look at the book. Look at the book. Look at the table. Look at the table. He likes to run. He likes to run. He likes to dance. He likes to dance. He likes to swim. He likes to swim. He likes to draw. He likes to draw. He likes to read. He likes to read. Can you see the van? Can you see the van? Can you see the bird? Can you see the bird? Can you see the boy? Can you see the boy? Can you see the cat? Can you see the cat? Can you see the ball? Can you see the ball? See you. Goodbye.